Testing is evolving. From 2022 to 2024, in 2 years, a lot has happened in the testing landscape. 3, 2, 1. TestMu Conference is by the community, for the community. Software testers, developers, influencers, and community builders are coming under one roof. Come together to decode the future of testing this year at TestMu Conference 2024. In 3 days, learn from over 60-plus speakers from across industries, sharing expertise and insights in 35-plus sessions, panel discussions, workshops, and more. Connect with more than 30,000 attendees from across the globe. Or drop by the virtual booths of our partners. What's more, stand a chance to win goodies worth $10,000. Participate in Testathon, Conference Leaderboard, Automation Testing Challenge, Certificate Marathon, Social Media Bee Challenge, and more. Register for free and decode the future of testing.